Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a class and add your students into that class. That's the very first thing you're going to want to do when you get started with Seesaw, is to create a class. Now, they'll come up with a default class for you that'll have a certain name. This one just happens to say test class. And I'm going to show you how to create a class and enter your students into a class. So let's jump in here. So what I'm going to do is when it pops up like this, I'm going to go to my name. I'm going to go to create a new class. Sorry for the stutter there. Um, Go in, create a new class. All right, now when I go in and I create my new class, um, this will pop up. Now, what's the name of your class? I'll just say test 2, and it's for, I don't know, let's say 5th grade. I'm going to hit my green button. All right, I already have my test class 2. So I have 2 classes in here. I have one for 2nd grade, one for 5th grade. I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna edit some of my settings. Maybe I want this picture. 5th grade. Maybe I want the theme to be something different. It doesn't really matter. And all these settings I can go in and set up. All right, so I've created my class, right? So now what the next step after you're done making your class, before you start looking for activities or inboxes or inviting or doing anything like that, you need to put your kids in the classroom. So I'm going to go down here to add students. Now, if you're a Google Classroom, Google School, then you can automatically do this. Do you want students to sign in to Seesaw using their Google account or their email address? No, I don't, because we're not a Google school, we're Microsoft. So I'm going to click no. And then we are one-to-one devices. And then I start putting in students' names. So I'll put Han Solo. I always do Star Wars characters. We'll put in Leia. Put in Luke, Yoda, Chewie, Ray, Finn. Anyway, so put in a couple of students' names. I click OK. Now, getting students signed in, here's what they're going to need to do. When you're ready to use Seesaw with students, they should follow these instructions. Open the Seesaw Class app on iOS or Android. That could be on a tablet or on a laptop. They go to choose I'm a student. So if they go in, they will go to Seesaw. They'll go into Seesaw and they'll go into, see they have Class app here. Boom, Class app. And you can put this link into Schoology if you want them just to jump straight on to Seesaw from where they are. They can do that. Now they want to log in, and they're going to log in as a student. Now that it is now once they log in as a student, what they can do is you can see them over here and how many items they have. So as they go in and you're adding the students, that's how they're going to get in right here. They can scan the QR code. They can also use this code, but it expires in an hour. They go in, they pick their name, and boom, they're in. Now you can go in and you can print the student sign in poster if you want to. And have it up place, and it'll give them the instructions to log in. So that's how you create your class and how you get your students to sign in. I hope that helps. Thanks.